If you have 2,500 XRP, you're already among the elite, part of the top 10% of XRP holders worldwide. But the real question is, what does this mean for your future? Could XRP be on the verge of a historic price explosion? And most importantly, what's happening with the SEC lawsuit and its potential dismissal? Let's break it all down, because today's news could change everything for XRP investors. The SEC is dropping lawsuits left and right, and today we've just seen another major development: the closure of its investigation into Uniswap. This comes after similar lawsuits against Coinbase, OpenSea, and Robinhood were also dropped, signaling that the regulatory landscape in the US is shifting in favor of crypto. The big question now is XRP next? Each lawsuit closure brings us one step closer to XRP finally being free from legal battles. The only remaining barrier seems to be a $125 million fine that Ripple has yet to settle. This amount was already decreed by the judge, and it's believed that once this issue is resolved, the SEC may have no reason to continue the case, paving the way for XRP's full regulatory approval. But there's even bigger news ahead. This Thursday, the SEC will hold a critical sunshine meeting where the approval of a spot XRP ETF is on the agenda. While an immediate approval is unlikely, we could get key updates that hint at when the ETF could finally be greenlit. Historically, spot ETFs have been game changers for institutional investment, and if XRP gets its own ETF, it could trigger a wave of new capital inflows that push its price to levels we've never seen before. Meanwhile, the crypto market remains highly volatile. Bitcoin has dropped as low as $85,000, while XRP is currently hovering around $2.28 after briefly dipping to $2.06 earlier today. Despite the correction, major institutions are taking advantage of the dip. El Salvador just resumed Bitcoin purchases, and whales are accumulating XRP while retail investors panic sell. However, not everyone is bullish. BlackRock has been offloading large amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum, transferring millions to Coinbase in what seems to be a coordinated sell-off. This has fueled speculation that institutions may be preparing for another major market shakeup before the next bullish run begins. Now, let's talk about why having 2,500 XRP matters. If you hold this amount, you're already in the top 10% of XRP wallets. But when you zoom out, it becomes even more significant. Less than 1% of the global population even owns XRP at all. That means you're positioned ahead of 99% of the world in terms of exposure to what could become a key player in the future of finance.so. What's next? Will the SEC finally close the XRP case? Will institutions push for an ETF sooner than expected? And most importantly, how will all of this impact the price of XRP? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!